In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Miro Kanban board. If you're new to Kanban, think of it as a simple visual way to track work as it moves from not started to in progress to done. Miro makes this intuitive, flexible, and great for teams working in real time. We'll begin by creating or opening a board. From your Miro dashboard, start a new board if you want a fresh workspace, or open an existing one if your team already has a place to collaborate. Give the board a clear, descriptive name so everyone recognizes its purpose at a glance. If you're working with others, it also helps to make sure the right people have access before you build anything out. A well-named shared board sets the stage for smooth collaboration. Next, add a Kanban template. On the left toolbar, click Templates, then use the search bar to type Kanban. You'll see several options, ranging from simple 3-column layouts to more detailed frameworks. Choose the one that matches the level of detail your team needs and select it. The template will drop onto your board with columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Adjust the size and position so it fits your canvas, and take a moment to rename columns if your workflow uses different stages. Keeping the column names short and clear makes it easier for everyone to understand the flow. Now it's time to edit and collaborate. Use the cards in the template to capture work. Give each card a short, action-oriented title, and use the description to add context, links, or acceptance criteria. If your template includes tags or color labels, use them to mark priority or category. As work progresses, drag cards from one column to the next so the board reflects reality at all times. Keep each card focused on a single task to avoid confusion, and break down big items into smaller cards to maintain momentum. Collaboration in Miro is real-time, so you'll see teammates' cursors as they update content. Add comments directly on cards to ask questions or share feedback, and mention teammates so they're notified. If your team agrees on simple conventions like how to title cards, what each column means, and when to move a card, the board will remain tidy and trustworthy. A quick daily review helps keep everything current and prevents bottlenecks from going unnoticed. That's it. Create or open a board, add a Kanban template, then edit and collaborate to keep work flowing. With a clear layout and consistent updates, your Miro Kanban board becomes a single source of truth for your team's progress.